to the Myths and Fact series. This is the third video and it is on p value. One of the most deeply rooted beliefs in statistics is that a significant p value automatically means an important or strong research finding. This belief is so widespread that entire theses and papers are judged primarily on whether p is less than 0.05. However, the interpretation is statistically incorrect. Why the myth exists? The p value originated as a tool for hypothesis testing, not as a measure of importance or effect strength. Over time, statistical significance became confused with the scientific significance, leading to mechanical decision making based on arbitrary thresholds. Myth 1 versus Fact 1. A common myth is that a significant p value implies a large or meaningful effect. Jacob Cohen, in his famous 1994 paper, The Earth is Round, p value is less than 0.05, clearly explained that p values say nothing about effect size. Lakens further emphasized that with large samples, even trivial effects can become statistically significant. Thus, statistical significance does not imply practical importance. Myth 2 versus Fact 2. Another misconception is that a non significant p value means there is no effect. In reality, as shown by Button and his colleagues in 2013, non significance may simply reflect low statistical power, small sample sizes, or noisy measurements. Absence of evidence is not evidence of absence. Myth 3 versus Fact 3. Many researchers also believe that smaller p values represent stronger evidence. Gig Ranger described this as mindless statistics, noting that p values are often misinterpreted as measures of evidence strength, which they are not. P values are highly sensitive to sample size and should not be treated as a ranking system for results. What should be done? Instead, modern statistical practice recommends reporting effect sizes, confidence intervals, and substantive interpretation. The APA, the American Psychological Association, explicitly advises researchers to move beyond sole reliance on p values. To conclude, a p value only answers one narrow question: whether the observed data are unlikely under a null hypothesis. It does not measure importance, magnitude, or scientific value. Statistics should inform judgment, not replace it. I want to quote from Gerd Gingranger, quote, statistical rituals largely eliminate statistical thinking in social sciences. Rituals are indispensable for identification with social groups, but they should be subject rather than the procedure of science. What I call the null ritual consists of three steps. Number one, set up statistical null hypothesis, but do not specify your own hypothesis nor any alternate hypothesis. Number two, use the 5% significance level for rejecting the null and accepting your hypothesis. Number three, always perform this procedure. Further, I quote from Button: a study with low statistical power has reduced a chance of detecting a true effect, but it is less well appreciated that low power also reduces the likelihood that statistically significant results reflects a true effect. Here we show that average statistical power of studies in neurosciences is very low. The consequences of this include overestimates of effect size and low reproducibility of results. There are also ethical dimensions to this problem, as unreliable research is inefficient and wasteful. Unquote. Statistical significance is not scientific importance. Thanks for watching. Share your comments. If you have opposing views, else like and share. Thank you.
Always share the videos of Dr. Sachdeva to your friends who are interested in data analysis.